Feeling that familiar pang of panic when your Ellipal Wallet, your digital vault, suddenly decides to play dead? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at a frozen screen or an app that just won't connect, wondering if our precious crypto is lost in the digital ether. It's a frustrating, even terrifying experience, especially when you rely on your Ellipal for secure offline storage. But before you succumb to a full-blown crypto crisis, let's take a deep breath and troubleshoot why your Ellipal wallet might not be working, and more importantly, how to get it back up and running. So, why isn't your Ellipal wallet working? The reasons can range from simple connectivity issues to more complex software glitches or even hardware malfunctions. Let's break down the most common culprits, starting with the basics. First, the most frequent offender, connection problems. Is your Ellipal device properly charged? A low battery can cause all sorts of erratic behavior. If it's a cold wallet like the Titan, remember it doesn't connect directly to the internet. Instead, it relies on QR code scanning or an SD card for transactions. Are you sure your phone or computer's camera is clean and focusing correctly on the QR codes? Blurry scans are a prime reason for failed transactions. Similarly, if you're using an SD card, is it inserted correctly and formatted properly according to Ellipal's guidelines? A corrupted or incompatible SD card can definitely throw a wrench in the works. Next, let's consider the software side of things. When was the last time you updated your Ellipal app on your smartphone or the firmware on your Ellipal device itself? Outdated software is a common cause of bugs and connectivity issues. Ellipal frequently releases updates to improve security, add new features, and fix existing glitches. Always ensure both your app and your device firmware are running the latest versions. You can usually check for updates within the Ellipal app settings or on the official Ellipal website. A simple update might be all it takes to resolve your problem. Another area to investigate is app permissions and settings. Has the Ellipal app been granted all the necessary permissions on your phone, particularly access to your camera for QR code scanning? Sometimes, a recent phone OS update can silently revoke app permissions, leading to unexpected functionality issues. Also, check the in-app settings. Are you connected to the correct network? For example, if you're trying to send tokens on the Ethereum network, ensure your Ellipal wallet is configured for Ethereum and not another blockchain. Now, let's delve into some less common but equally frustrating scenarios. Has your Ellipal device sustained any physical damage? A dropped device, exposure to water, or even extreme temperatures can impact its internal components and lead to malfunction. While Ellipal devices are built to be robust, they're not indestructible. If you suspect hardware damage, it might be time to consider their warranty or repair options. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, if you've tried all the above and your Ellipal still isn't cooperating, consider reaching out to Ellipal's official support. They have dedicated teams to assist with technical issues and can often provide more in-depth solutions or even guide you through a replacement process if necessary. Remember to provide them with as much detail as possible about your problem, including any error messages you're receiving. Don't panic. Most Ellipal wallet issues are resolvable with a little patience and methodical troubleshooting. By systematically checking your connections, software updates, app settings, and device condition, you can often pinpoint the problem and get back to managing your crypto securely. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.